Ever wondered what category or YouTube video or channel is assigned to? Open the YouTube app on your phone. Then select the video or channel you want to check. Tap the share button. Now select the copy link to copy the video URL to your clipboard. Open your web browser. Search for View HTML Source. Click on one of the tools available. On the Page Source tool, paste the video URL you copied earlier. Click the View Source button. Once the source code appears, tap the Search or Find in Page option in your browser. On mobile browsers, you can usually find this in the Share or Menu options. Or you can select the three dots at the top right corner and then select the Find in Page option. Type category in the search bar. Scroll to the result that displays the category. Some videos may not display a specific category if the creator didn't set one, and that's how you can check other YouTube channel category.